Me busao. Said Mahama, and yet 11 a day and wadarama why? Yeah, but you obey. Now many abria campaign. Nipa Aquana me busan the question yet Mahama.
Ain't to Ohene about David H. Rum said, Sir, oh, Confuséd born some pan who Mahama. Hey, oh, just all call her born some so per born some and got no John Drummond Mahama. All right, but Ohene about David H. said, oh, call per born some Nagasa who Mahama no aside, or no Angasano. Concerning Dumsor taxia, or Modiaba. Dumsor Levy is Omai Levy free war. After Chekun, any Dumsor Levy, actually Dumsor Levy crown, as soon E11, not E11 1%, but Dumsor Levy 8.3%. However, there is one says, I didn't know Mahama, redeem this. Or the case Ato Forson, any energy minister, I didn't know Omutrimu, Sumsa, or fire Mahama. I can be a trend. I Penyah broke media. Best was any demo. Over like video, no doubt, more subscribe to the click button notification on the latest updates. Now, bet you the wild when their mommy ever comments, and Schmaz of Baswa. No, she will from NB Ashley. It's back here, back at 2024. The issue of E-Levy, Massa, and Kufa them people for a Yason. Fire woman of period, E-Levy, or if you so. Interestingly, Omukra no more who did the crowd. I can bet you say. E-Levy, some of them they never knew how E-Levy was, serving. No one knew how E-Levy is function because they never sent money. They never sent money. No one knew how E-Levy is function. No one knew. Emma Obika say, oh, I didn't know. Me discuss got my phone so I need Timmy. Me go so I need Timmy. Wait, who knew E-Levy? E-Levy was just on you sending money from your phone to different number. You sending it. Not withdrawing or any other thing. You send it. What I say? But Omunina make a kasa sip said E-Levy was one. Fire by now. Emma Mahama capitalized on that. Or the politics. Like I said, E-Levy for or she had Ghana for ball, SCI, or man, a more than a ticket man when I can class of boys, a benya de disua, with us, I'm about E-Levy, or saying we are coffee about E-Levy because of Mahama every year. 2025, Minister President Ato Forson Ghana for boss. Oh, they know how to boost revenue in the economy without creating any new tax. But interesting, obviously, Enra other front of parliament. And then Ato Forson sorry, Uncle Kasa. Or more the tax for fire to the Dumsor Levy. Apa. Emma Mahama so ebe different day. Ebe church remove kakra.
The dialogue recognizes growing energy sector liabilities as the greatest existential threat to fiscal consolidation and macroeconomic stability. Our energy sector carries a debt burden of over $3.1 billion, with an estimated $1.8 billion more required to finance fuel procurements for uninterrupted thermal power generation in the coming months. If left unaddressed, this situation significantly threatens national productivity and industrial growth. While we have devised a strategy to liquidate this debt and staunch the bleeding in the power sector, we must take advantage of recent gains created by appreciation in the value of our currency to accelerate the solution to our energy sector challenges. In line with the dialogue's recommendation to boldly tackle the crisis in the energy sector, Parliament yesterday approved an amendment to the Energy Sector Levies Act and a certificate of urgency introducing a 1 cedi, Ghana cedi, increase in the energy sector recovery levy. This decision, though difficult, is necessary and justifiable. The additional revenue projected is 5.7 billion cedis annually. This revenue will be strictly ring-fenced to pay down legacy energy debt, finance ongoing fuel purchase, and avert the risk of recurring power shortages. Funds from this levy will not be subject to the hazards of the consolidated fund. And the minister is here. I know when money falls into the consolidated fund, it faces certain hazards. It will not be subject to the hazards of the consolidated fund. The fund will be regularly audited and audit reports made public to ensure its transparent use.
How be different there? Ebe church kakra. Na oye what ever heard no say there be. Where say robbing Peter to pay Paul. And if you cry more robbing cry, no way Switzerland E Levy because E Levy was just as low as 1%. But this is 8.3%, you know. Dear daylight robbery. Robbery be a partner air cost so NBC abemwe. Robbery be obi mwamie, yeah, obi kanchira me. Robbery be na cost me.
Thank you so much. Near tie yekoda sorry ya mpacho parliament ahihye or the saying new taxes and I said new tax e dey akọ mpacho Ghana your finance minister on the hono Ato Forson na already say the Ghana aye mrew yasa Ghana ne meka no yasa Ghana asa yasa ye wie because any that's when you make kire mo meka yo na meka ni biem na mesan ka ni biem Manti and I say, Yakoda sorry ya. Papa ya your friend Ato case or say Ato Kusino. Was sorry I share tax for Friday deco. Na sem nyina say. Taxes here or de bano. Enya ne bonus. One mo buy no or mo buy beto a car energy sector ho. Timie. One mo buy no beto a car 20 bia energy sector ho. Woka sa achire me a wo kwase a because time na mo pa akunwa no mo ba na mo hyehyehye bibire ni sa ade me busa wo se dom ha me wo waba pen akọ e na wo sia ba biem pa cha obetumi abolove no so no share video no why Edward Pre mba cha wada Roma fa number ma me na me invite you na bra so na bra be kire enye E11 na ye den wada Roma why Mbacho Edward Pre and I say Pre Mbacho wa say wo number yesen enti sa so a me the number to so can send me number send me where you send me hi say ana me ma na bra so Mbacho number ni kan fa Edward wo nti na me the number ya to so +49 15212112479 +49 15212112479 ye fast. It doesn't matter. Emane hawo. Enya ne bone so. Me pe obi a obetimi akyerekere mu yedi ama me nti ameka ne saa no. We nya E11 wadaroma eyeden ya. Why? We nya E11 eyeden ya wadama bra. Mbacho wadama bra. Me number ne da ho no. +49 15212112479. My own say Emmanuel Agbevi say what about all the resources Ghana has? Oh, there be a and how my Edward Mra when you E11 Omra no mama E11 never scrapped off. Patient Amamedasi, thank you so much. You in your baba koha or no boy. NPP left behind 4 billion. Mahama so cannot the kaja and saying Akaman or the Udi Echimedwasi. Or say NPP left behind 4 billion in the energy sector. How do you want Ghanaians to pay this debt for us to get electricity? Akaman me sure so de na what achievement no men share them you jebia mom from raso na momra mechire me or say we told them NPP and NDC the value is the same. They refuse to listen. They should enjoy it. Nkwase asem kwa menua ba Letitia na ya pia twum na de ba. Thank you so much Nana Brempons wa thank you so much mesrew tie me na opese me nanka yeyi me as aban no ya fa wo dwa Mahama akotena Jubilee House wo no me mom ena na opese nka memra na memfa den enye mom ye nka nkwa akiri akwa no kura wo hia Ashford ye boy I want to say me do as I love your program, keep it up, true talk, thank you so much. I see you mommy money actually mantia as adwa we dey afa chiremu ye mama wadar mama yenko Ato case ho minim se den a ye benya nipa bia ade me chiri kura ani o Jimmy kaka reason as a human being reason Jimmy mama ye bredodo Wana kan yi amese o mra o meya hwan Edward mese fa number na bra send me hi send me hi na me ma kwa na bra chere niam ma Ghana for say de ye nti ne ye bia senti no Edward ye fro bra Edward pre o say Edward pre o pre pa Edward pre fro bra na chere niam ma me Mbacha mo hwe so we join news na de bae ukọ sisi a kwana kọbọ na me ka akire wo no atuke so at mo yiye Ato Forson Ato de kọbọ wo Google sisi anabo Ato Forson na ma dash anase koma na fa so say we don't need to tax we don't need to bring more taxes to generate revenue. What the boni keke we say be yini nyina aba kobo we don't need to add more taxes to generate revenue. What the kokobo keke yanko na me fa onko ase ma me ni kan fa we into I think say we never boy yi pa ma chira o keke ba cha graphic online e de buy and my joy online e so de buy Ato hwan no de decide we ba empire 13 January 2025 13 January ya kwasia ya kan sema na mobiti wona na mu chimisa Ato Forson we don't need more taxes to raise revenue ene no we don't need more taxes ene we don't need more taxes to raise revenue we don't need more taxes to raise revenue no na o say yan raise ya amfa more taxes ya ma ya di nipa nkwase ampafo bi te se moa na o mo challenge no mo ma metwa pose na aye se woma a etwene danche mu no eno ne ebetwitwa na sinesini na generate money ne ye de abebu o man ho bra moa matimi dodo moa ene wo no 13 January ko uko 13 January this year 13 January 4 months ago kona ko 4-5 months ago 13 January asema Ato Forson be ka kire Ghana fo no yanko kan nsem na o kan yeni bi appearing before the appointment committee of parliament Dr. Forson pledged to collaborate with the Ghana Revenue Authority GRA to strengthen taxes collection system and enhance efficiency. Won't you say me man go school now so bravo we make am etiase simple say sisini bi o ha wo mo gege dada ebinom nhye dan tua enye sufficient ebinom ntua na system eboa ma o mutua ne yie say ebon so obi atua ne pepepe no eno na emu ahodohodo nti ono wo ba no ono GRA be ka tare mu tensional twan say na wo ma yiri wo mo apusu nipa bia wo so adotɔ ne ndotɔ ne nsisen ye wo so ne sa amana hihye yi na ye nam so etimi nya sika ye de bebɔ man nyina ho bra ya ti so abre Dr. Mahama Dubamia, oh, you don't need to tax the poor. No, the taxes are hurting. The taxes are hurting. It is Edward no way. Edward way. Na papa penyini se se enya akwala keto. Penyini pa ni tunu mu nyina fudwene. Masa me ha menyi gini pa so wote. Me ha menyi gini pa so wate na me ka kire no. Edward. So baby dru ya me hia yi menya na kan bae na 1 million fo no ko muti me na nka nokra e wo nyina ya ka kire Ghana fo ka menya Ghana 35 million nyina na nko biade na so ama me masema me de beto mani nyina ne se mo nsesa madwen free NPP ne NDC no mo de ya dwen na edi agro tema untumi ya che no hey we yeze de akwesisen prosecuting ne ba ne yehu na otwene cells one ne mfefo a wo mabokro no ne owi akodu ne okowi a obi 2 million ne ofa obi woma ne okofa obi pan ne wote akwala na wokote madam Mudi ye headmistress Mudi ya che no e de ne ko hwan years no na nka chema untumi ne nkonkoda ho Andrew Tagbo was bro levy wasn't scrapped, so the amount of money you send then it will be I'm saying no one some knows I'll say bring your party, we will support you, we are waiting minia I am me party mpo bro ye ba beto aba wada no masa obe kan okra party do say no omodin eba ballot papers independent do say na ya na was wo dey can tell you how many independent candidates and I better about show up? How many parties and the NPP ni NDC? Bubruja. Ghanaians are sick with NPP ni NDC. Oyale NDC yale. Mekasa sana me pachere. Ghana for yare NPP ni NDC yale. Yale na dokro na enko eye kurankro. NDC yale ete se kurankro. Yeah, but you are now many abria campaign. Ni papa akwa na me busa the question ye Mahama. Mo amodi mechia chambaka no kre. Mr. John, uba kwan pen na abefa so a Akufo-Addo Canada ye nim wabro. Papa ne digana wu. Na me question nyina ne say kwan ben na abefa so a wo betumi aba be fiasa aka no. Wo benya sika wo he. Enti na me question sie mienu. Oba wo beko IMF akobo bosian ha question we me busai so kwan ba na befa so generating money now they are tuatua sa Canada dada ho no na wo so anya bi e de ayemfa so ato ye ho John Mahama wo first time bia na wo ba ye no wo ba ye wo nko na wata eka enti no emma ya wo sa wo ye angel na ya te se ne munyina munye Yankin kan Ato Forson you know. Me fan to so kese or the Jones want me amade akokoda. Why next time mo ba ha me pesa Jimmy kasa no te. So we papa penyin no we akwala osua nyansa. Aha se ye politics ne ne ha. Ya kasa na mudi mu Jimmy na maba we so ye defend. We ye defend. Una onim nyansa, una onim kwan ya fa so ye tutu sikasem. 13th January ya 13th January ni Ato Forson e de beto so ni. Amenfa onkoda monkonko kan kakra. The beto so kese yi kakra. Mbajo mo hwe nie. Appearing before the Appointments Committee of Parliament, Dr. Forson pledged to collaborate with the Ghana Revenue Authority to strengthen tax collection systems and enhance efficiency. We don't necessarily need to increase taxes to rake in revenue. Dr. Forson asserted, we have the handles and I will work with the Ghana Revenue Authority to ensure we take in the needed revenue by increasing compliance. He expressed confidence that this approach will improve Ghana tax to GDP ratio, which currently stands at 13, and increase it to 16%, aligning with the nation's development. But when the cancer saying we Ato Forson na no da ye ka ayi enti when make us meko menima kokan and when you ask me menima kokan because I have it here met me akan man you telling na ma meto so met me ato aso e wo Google akan a kire osisi a na mo bi wo hono ma menim se ne mujimi na afredru menim se ne afredru Prospero apia kofi you want to say me da mo nyina amase. Thank you so much. Na ye busaw ye nokura kafo enin tran kire o man no nokura kire wo mo oh nanado saa yi na wo gigi na de say na me minim mo the taxes we nyina egu ye nso mo wi amase akọ IMF apart from your natural resources nyina achi no. That's the reason I went yesterday. I saw Otumfuo say to Jimilization, the Jimility and the stupidity of Otumfuo say to walking straight to John Dramani Mahama. As he said, they are going to think about Ghana. Stupid man. Kwasia, moko ya adi echi yeni ehu. Namu walking piski. Namu to wana mo wiwi insa. Mo wiwi apeteshi. Wiwi vodka niye yi mwa. Kwasia mpafo asefo. Tumfuo sorry who konknan aboa ko ye kopi otumfuo ekopie nanado danko anim kotie nkwasase ma woka an asante otumfuo titru mona moye the backbone of NPP nyamo a nka NPP kwa nka mentimi amedi akonya yi ni ye ni ma mehwe o man yi so the be ka kire ma nipa bonefo we na tete o manim no mu di nkwasasem nipa bonefo wo Ghana no otumfuo se tu ne nkrofo e na edi nkwasasem wo manim ye ka mu ntie obi a wa ba onte ne Ato Forson e ka na se no enam de aba beto so e de a kire mo no ne Ato Forson de aba no yenko. Knowing your Dumsor D levy no eno na da honom no your Dumsor Levy we your friend Dumsor Levy e levy na no eno ano no because awukwa na akufu ato so be kan kire wo say ni enti a meso me di e levy ni bae ne e levy na enti a kire no okay ya ba beti ase say e levy no aba mo de jijiska ampa e generate sika papa e levy na maska wo okay dia na mo de sa e levy ni sika na ye ye pese hu e levy sika na mo de ye den enti nipa da sani na ni di sika no because yet ye ni na etu ye bi na aka se de enti ani abre kasa abrochire for we suffer how anyhow economy no ebe ko bia no yen ye suffer pa e ka ye pa brana mintimi ntua me school fees yo na brana wo fa so yo na brana unu ya me ntia po na brana yu ma me na brana ha wen wo fa na brana de ben na wadane ponkoti obi man so wo ya adwuma bosome no so yare afre wo bosome ne pepepe na ne nkrodo ba bosome pepepe na ne twemu tutu no bosome pepepe na ne no fotie bosome pepepe na ne sinituo ne bosome pepepe na ne hona pai bosome pepepe na natikwa adwa nya baba beje Nana Brempons they even charge e-levy on import duty. Me say e-levy that's so. Ama mi busa mo question. Me busa. Why you ba? Taxes ni doso dodo. Mbacho wo yenko baby ara nya na bre wo kana no. Ato Forson mo ato Forson se wan Forson no. Pacho enye woni. Ato ne da ho no ko online ko na ko kan 13th January ya 13th January 13th ya 13th ya pasiampafo Ghana fo nwene jiminti Ghana fo ni adwene jiminti Ghana fo ni adwene jimi mo nwene kakra party nim enti hwade o nanu ya abaya insense mbaye eye baby a omoye anyansafo a Ghana fo ye nkofo bia nkomu nim nyansa won say no mo defend Ghana sem no this should tell you say sa pepe and o maban no se papa oboni o ono ne de ni say ye we nkofo mienu na ye diti ayen se NPP ne wa ban mu a bibia o maban be bia NPP fo be so le agina ebetumi age nipa ba ko mienu pe ana so ye NPP ni kra obetumi agina ka be NDC fo de kan kren ade ye ko so mo braba o mo be so fa monso abusia ni e ko so no mo be so fa more than yen mo be so fa mo be bre ena tan ka tisen uto nuane sen o lorry fete sen utimi to atare ye hye o man no mo abara bot sen utimi to asase mo be si dan edan ho ne ma te sen sen let's just see and how say we baba be recover dey masa wo timber twa wo timber free kwa men kroma pen so e de besene ko wuntumi mfa sa ade ni ntua ye ka good your mode say yan sa asi ya and NDC na asweche o mo ne gu o mo tunu chafu no entumi ntua ye ho ka enti che say ye natural resources no e so fast one say na so obi kwa akotena Germany ana obi kotena Holland ama Holland phone to gold omun to bauxite omun timber omun manganese omun diamond omun cocoa omun oil enye jimi se Ghana ya discover oil Ghana oil yen oil no ene katafo Saudi wan de ayifoi ni nyina ye pe na san nkofo we ni obi aka omun na ebo America bosia abon nkofo bosia say yes by now ka ya bo wiase nyina bosia yen cocoa ntin kan nkofo de yenka yen timber ntin kan nkofo de yenka yen bauxite ntin kan nkofo de yenka o manganese ntin kan nkofo de Ghana ka cocoa ntin kan ma o de yenka nti oil no gold no be so de anka samre nka wiase nyina na de yenka ye mom ya de wiase nyina ka bibia ni agese ye kona asbosia Inti John Mahama na matran chain na makosu nyansa na matran chain. Say ye kan so. Ghana wan na ntua tax. Ya. Wan na ntua tax wo. Na wo mo nya adwuma mpo tua tax. Say COVID-19 Levy na by John Mahama say ontumi nyi free ho because ye de kobo obosia. Enya Ghana kro na. Adinti ye de kokobo obosia. Say COVID-19 aba na yale mpo free mu no watumi de ne akwaje bosia de abedane tax go Ghana so woni pa na ba yo se ontumi nyi free ho ade na mo kire mbacho mo ya de Frank Mojo a champion no de aba no stop your foolishness. We are happy in Ghana kurasi ni no tia no ntia me se ka me ha me ho bebre baba wada ma we de wudi bem me ka sa me ha me ho na mesra tumi e wo wiase wo mo bi ene hwe Ghana so se ne empenfo yeyen ya de omo de yeyen ayo bi selfishness intina se nye oman no mpuntuo di a Frank Mojo e champion mesuma Ghana yale wa nyina amra wo ne wasefo nyina so politics inti wadwene nya adwuma Ghana yale wa nyina amra wo so oyawa yempenfo di efam me say ebi besu de nanso me yi nipa bebre na mpempem no sun adi gina wo ne o maso say munya woto wo mabrabo mu da se wunya sika mpempem sika nanka sanna ne yaw pain emra wo so sika na ne pain sika ma hu pain instead sika be man ko ani age no sika ma hu pain a wunya o che da wati Frank Mojo e champion me se Ghana for bere ni Yesu we ante you ante Ghana oboa oti akwantum na ni age okay my own Grace akwa Grace is you and who happy asama arewo emu aya emu aya o Frank Mojo champion me se wa brabo me de Ghana ya o na wa brabo so wati me se o de he shenanso ene ya 4th of June wati ene it's na 4th right I mean they say June 4th ni obi okay ya wa me se e wo Ghana no me sane gu ne wasefo so and menim ne ntikura wa me page so ntino let me kick you out go and rest somewhere why okay I mention me block you forever nipa bi say de yankasa nchire omo e basa o ha ho kwa enti ne tie no David Masana, how are you doing today? Old lady watching oh okay mama me da sepa na ho to say me chia bebre baby a obia me chia bebre me chia papa na ho say you say hwan no mba cha don't worry forget about it forget na nipa na wo mo ba no kojo kwa atem mba cha hwan na udi na teme David anasa udi Frank Mojo champion atem okay I think say you are insulting Frank intino me da say me dia kana me no me because me ma unkokwa wati
Tiraje mama comment section. Penyah Media.